Okay, and welcome to today's video. So this will be part one of the video. The next video along will be a room review of the same hotel, and we are at the Moracea Hotel in Khao Lak. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. Just had a chat with the hotel staff and got an idea of the prices, and I will upload this video and the other video shortly. This is a very big hotel, and I'm just going to grab a map now and show you the size. So it has swim-up bungalows, beachfront bungalows, deluxe rooms set back slightly, and it's oceanfront. So, thank you. So this is currently obviously reception area, and I'll just walk you down. We'll head this way to start with. This is the way the little buggy took me a moment ago. It is built on a hillside. We're currently staying 2 hotels down, beachfront. Just from what I've seen of the hotel so far, what I personally do like with these type of accommodations is the amount of trees and foliage around. The hotel is called the Moracea, which I've just been informed is a Moracea tree, which they do have here, and it's the tree that produces jackfruit. A little bit of trivia for you there. So up here is reception. This is one of the villas. I've just had a look. One of the deluxe villas. That will be in the room tour review on the other video. I will put a link in that. Not very exciting this bit, but it does get better as you go down. Okay, so we're approaching the seafront now. We've got a little bit of wind today, so you're going to get some wind noise. I think we're in for a little bit of change of weather. We're filming currently in the second week of June. It's the shoulder season, so you're going to get the weather this time of year. Into my 3rd week now in Khao Lak, and we've had everything from torrential downpours to blistering blue skies. It's averaging around about 34, 32, 33 each day. So as you can see, the tide is right in today. Normally the tide doesn't come this far. Normally the tide doesn't come this far in, but it's pretty much right up to this seawall here. So yeah, that gives you an idea of kind of the beach you can expect. I think that's quite beautiful. Okay, so this accommodation in front is your beachfront villas. These are priced low season at 3,300 for 2 people per night, including breakfast. As you can see, the shade everywhere, so the grounds are really established. Very pretty. So I'll just walk you over to the first swimming pool. There we go. It's a lovely small swimming pool for the properties around here. There we go. And you will share this pool. A little freeform pool. Okay. Walk you back along the beach. I've not seen any lizards this morning. Seen a few cats. Oh, it's just a view to die for. That's beautiful. So this looks like a little beach access road just running along the front of the hotel to the to where the beach is. I assume it's sort of golf buggies can get backwards and forwards and drop guests off at their accommodation. Here we have another swimming pool. It's kind of an infinity pool style. I'm going to go for a quick jump in there in a moment to cool off. Let's see if I finish this video. Well, there you go. Jump in and get a sea view. How's that? The hotel does go further down. See, it's quite a large hotel spread over quite a large area. I think this is a restaurant bar up here. Yeah, definitely a chill out zone here. We've got a big canopy. Another a bar. Currently closed. I can just imagine sitting here with an ice cold beer or a cocktail on an evening, just listening to those ocean waves. The ocean waves. Can't get my words out today. This is paradise, I've got to say. I've kind of fallen in love with this place just by walking around it. Down here, it looks like you're at your beach restaurant area. I'll have a quick walk down in a moment. Go back down. I'll just walk up to the spa and then walk around on the path behind here and see where it takes us to. So this is the Zilk bar. There we go. Now what they have done very cleverly here, and you won't appreciate it until you are here. The sun is hot, and you haven't got any shade in the pool. It's hard work being in the pool. You just can't cool off. So marks out of 10 for providing lots and lots of shade in this pool. You just don't realise how much you do appreciate that shade during the day. Some of the hotels I've been around have no cover, and you're literally getting no relief from being in the pool. The water's as warm as the air temperature, and it is stifling. Okay. So this building here is the spa building. Don't need to walk up and show you, it's just a standard spa. Don't know what the price is. I'm sure you can get them from the hotel website. Reminds me of being in the jungle, this, all these little footpaths. So this looks like it's the main restaurant down here. I'll walk down this path here before I walk down to it. Oh, it's got a little river flowing around with fish in, I can see. Oh, lizard. There we go. So I can zoom into it. Up into the trees. There we go, scuttling away. I don't know whether you can see it there. You'll find loads of them here. Okay, can't go any further, it's blocked off. So these look like in the distance just there. That's where the swim up rooms are. I can just see one of the pools next to the room, so you do have swim up rooms here. few of the hotels I've stayed in since being in Khao Lak, we've had swim up pools. They are lovely. I might be able to get to that area just further down here. You are on a hill, so there are plenty of steps here and slopes, but I'm thinking if you have got walking difficulties, I think reception would whiz you around in the buggy, hence why you've got the beach road at the front. I'm sure you could be allocated a room that's got buggy access. There you go, and we have a little pool here full of fish. Well, this looks like where you would get breakfast in the morning. Yeah, this would be the area with all the food laid out and drinks and fruit. We've got fans in the ceiling to keep you cool. This looks like it will be the egg station. All the eggs. Can't go wrong with an egg in the morning. You seem to have lots of these fans as well, which are... Oh, little bird. Yeah, lots of fans. And ice creams. Ooh. Let's have a nice ice cream. Morning. One thing about Thailand I have noticed, all the staff, every hotel I've been to, every bar, restaurant, they are so friendly. I travel all over the world, and I've got to say the Thais really know how to do hospitality. They are the ultimate in customer satisfaction, in respect of hotels, I mean. Okay, so more of these little golf buggies. View from outside the hotel. I was going to do a beach walk this morning all the way to the centre of Khao Lak, but the tide's that far in, I can't get there. I'm going to have to wait for the tide to go down to do my walk. I'm just going to nip back here. I don't want to encroach on anyone's privacy, but I'll just show you the layout of another set of pools. More rooms here. It's quite nice. You're still getting the ocean breeze here, which is lovely. Once you get back into these hotels, and there's no breeze, it can be quite stifling. There we go. So if you were staying here, you would get this view of the ocean. That is beautiful. Okay, pool rules and regulations. So the pool opens at 8 o'clock and shuts at 7 in the evening, it looks like. Children under 12 should be supervised. I think that goes without saying, really. Yeah, again, if you're staying in rooms like this, that's your view. when they built this place, they certainly thought about people who like to get in the pool and cool off. More accommodation. Let's go over the bridge. I'll quick look back at where I've just come from. Paradise. Hello. Just bumped into a couple of guests from my hotel. They must have come here for a drink. There you go. So you can see the big hill in the back. That does catch the clouds sometimes. Not today though. Just get away from that music. And here we go. A little children's play area. And if you want a beach towel, here's your beach hut. So I'll just conclude this video. Chatting to reception. They do some discounts on their spa treatment, and if you book direct with them, they're offering a 1-night 3-course meal. So rather than booking through the website, you go straight to the hotel and book it direct with the hotel. You give me the telephone number. They will offer you discounts on the spa treatment, discounts on some food, and a 1-night 3-course meal for 2 people. Right, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. It helps. It lets other people who are interested in this kind of walkthrough stuff be able to see it on YouTube. Helps my channel, helps the algorithm. I'll leave you here. Thank you for watching.